Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shaniqua and I'm a mom of 7 children. Today in this video, we're going to focus on our bedroom. Yes, I share a bedroom with 3 of my younger children. They're the ages of 7 months, 2 years old, and 4 years old. So my room could get quite messy at times. This week we had a really busy week and I wasn't feeling at my best, so I didn't clean as much as I normally do. So we're going to jump into this video and we're going to tackle this bedroom. We're going to get some laundry done. We're going to go ahead and we're going to fold up some of the new clothing that I have purchased for them for the fall season. We're going to get this bed made up, pick up some things that's on the ground that shouldn't be there. We're going to go ahead and clean off the messy dresser that you guys are going to see shortly. And then we're going to be good. I hope that you guys like this video. I hope that it helps get you motivated to clean your bedroom or any other areas of your home. Alright guys, see you soon. By the way, you all, the baby's been in the room with me the entire time, sound asleep. He's doing awesome. That is the reason why you guys have seen me sweep in the video with a broom and dustpan versus use a vacuum cleaner. If I would have used a vacuum cleaner, he wouldn't have lasted this long during his nap time. So I went the smart route and I swept my room away. I actually prefer sweeping and I thoroughly enjoy it. I'm just taking off all of the linen off of my bed, and I'm going to go ahead and throw it into the washer and get it dry while I go ahead and tackle the rest of the room.
Soundstripe.
I've been waiting for somebody just like you, hoping, praying, running.
As you guys can all see, baby Legend has waken up from his nap. I just sat him in the middle of the pile of clothing and let him go ahead and play with the things around him. It seemed to entertain him. But here, I begin to take off all of the tags off of all of the clothing, and I'm just separating the children's clothing by child, getting them on hangers, and then I'm going to get them into their bedrooms, into their closets.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
Let's take a ride, let's take it. Just think about it, you want it. Fall in love, you love it. You can control it. You make me feel something more stronger, something that I may never forget. I just want this to be longer, longer, yeah, longer. Where you are, where you are, where you go, where you go. Promise I will be there, I will be there. Let's take a ride, let's take it. Just think about it, you want it. Fall in love, you love it. You can control it. You make me feel something more stronger, something that I may never forget. I just want this to be longer, longer, yeah, longer. Where you are, where you are.
Our bedroom dresser is like a suede material. It has a fabric on it, and it's kind of difficult to actually keep clean. What I'm using here is my lint roller to get as much lint off as I can.
Soundstripe.
this year, we did not decorate our bedroom for the fall season. At least not yet. I'm still concentrating on that. But I did have some fall items that were extras from the things that I have put into my living area and my kitchen area. So what I'm doing is just putting it into our bedroom. Okay, you all, so this video is coming to an end. My room looks really good now. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. And please also consider subscribing to my channel. There will be plenty more cleaning videos coming soon. Have a great day, guys, and make it a great day. Bye!